Hello and good day. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I wanted to discuss about GAD, that is General Arrangement Drawings. Mostly, they are submitted after the receipt of order for approval. However, it is good practice to submit it along with the quotation. Let me show you a standard GAD. Here, as you can see, is a GAD with the components and its number. On this side there is a bill of material, all the positions, the part name and the material for each of the components. We have the general notes based on the requirement of the customer, and we have the title block and the dimensions as shown in the. So this is what a normal GAD will look like uh, of a valve. It takes a lot of time to make one GAD by the designer. Imagine a scenario where there are 10 to 12 projects in your hand, and each has 100 to 200 valve. So you need to make all those drawings and submit it to the customer at the time of quotation. The chances of getting the order is very less, so people prefer to make GAD at the time after the order is received. Okay, I will show you a small technique on how you can make all these drawings, automate these drawings actually in a very simple and nice manner in Excel. So let us see. Okay, here as you can see, these few details are there, like customer. I am saying, say, a major EPC is there, or you can say end user. Customer reference, I am just given a random reference, inquiry 020205, and we can say a critical project or I'll say oil and gas project. Okay, here for our demo and to make this video, I have taken only tunnel mounted ball valve, soft seated as well as metal seated. So this I will keep as it is. Say 2 inch, 3 inch. I will change this sequence. Say 3 inch, 2 inch and 4 inch. Rating is 10,000. That is an API 10,000 valve. Body material F51, F53, F51. Ball same as body in both these cases. Seat material is with pick, and gearbox I am saying GB1, GB2, GB3. You can put exact model in that. And third one is a tunnel mounted ball valve, that is a metal seated valve. So there is a coating of tungsten carbide in this case. So okay, let me show you how we can generate the drawings for this configuration. I click on the button for generate the data. Here it is publishing. Done. So I'll just close it. I will try to open that particular file. This is the file. As you can see here, the first valve is 3 inch, which we have done. Second is 2 inch and third is 4 inch. So 3 inch, 2 inch, and then there is a 4 inch. So 3, 2 and 4. The third valve is metal seated. Let us see. Third valve is metal seated as we have required. Dimensions are there. We have the customer name, that is we have just put a random end user. Customer reference 0205. Project is oil and gas project. All this data is coming directly from the Excel. So a very nice solution, very simple solution. It will be good, if you are able to give such kinds of drawings along with quotation. Your chances of getting the order is much higher. One more thing which you can do is make a QAP, automated QAP based on the customer requirement, and then you can have a package that you can give it at the time of the quotation submission. The quotation itself, all the drawings, as well as a QAP based on the customer requirement. All these three documents goes to the customer. The customer will be in a good position to see what you are offering thoroughly, and chances of converting into order is much higher in that scenario. It's a good solution and you can really try this and see how it works for you. Thank you.